Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your PC. This process can significantly improve your computer's performance and resolve many software-related issues. You have two main options: either keep your personal files or completely remove everything for a fresh start. To begin, navigate to your system settings, then find the recovery section, and you will see the option to reset your PC there. It's a straightforward process that can give your computer a new lease on life. The Keep My Files option is ideal if you want to refresh your operating system without losing your documents, pictures, and other personal data. While your files remain, all your installed applications and any custom settings you've made will be removed. This means you'll need to reinstall your favorite programs afterward. Even with this option, it's always a good practice to back up any truly critical files to an external drive or cloud service before proceeding, just to be safe. Choosing Remove Everything provides a complete wipe of your computer, deleting all personal files, applications, and system settings. This option is particularly useful if you are selling, donating, or giving your computer to someone else, ensuring no personal data remains. It essentially returns your PC to its factory default state. Before selecting this, it is absolutely crucial to back up every single piece of important data to an external hard drive or cloud storage, as there will be no recovery once the process begins. Once you have made your choice, you will be prompted to confirm your selection and then initiate the reset. The entire process can take a varying amount of time, typically ranging from 20 minutes to over 1 hour, depending on your computer's specifications and the chosen option. Your computer will restart multiple times during this period. After the reset is complete, you will need to reinstall any applications you use regularly and update your device drivers to ensure everything runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.